Happy's pooping again. Look. Look, look, look.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. Wearing my Crocs. Shout out to Owen. Determined to try to get the bumper on today. I learned how to do it this week, I think. No judgment. This is a judgment-free zone. And then I figured out where to get the bracketry for this, so a little bit at a time. Bella really wants to move the truck. Start the truck. So, Belle, I think Lee's here with us.
Hi.
So, please say hi.
I did say.
Don't be mean to everybody. Take that one. Belle, where are you going? All right, so. Look at that.
Look at you.
Not like this. So, had no idea how to, never thought about flipping it upside down.
I did it every other way though.
Every other way but upside down. Alright, we're gonna try to get these on and move back.
There. Nice thing.
Good job. So if you don't know, you have to flip this upside down and screw them up.
Is it this?
That one's too big. Get the other one. Jeez. Stay there. Okay.
Aussie gloves.
Okay, come on, bring it up. Okay?
Oh, that hurt.
You right?
Yeah.
What'd you do?
That hit me.
What the hell you
It
doing?
bit me. Snake bit me.
Alright, well, this has... Right, look, the bumper's on.
Yeah, that's it.
We're done.
Alright,
Let's
okay,
get out
let's
of
go
here.
home. Oh wait, we are home.
Just kidding, we're back. Okay, well.
Okay.
So there's a lot of extra hardware here. I don't know why, to be honest with you. I really don't. I really have no idea why. So, but we're gonna hold the bumper, hold this. Okay. Are you fucking kidding me? These don't even fit in here. You gotta be kidding me. Alright, here we go again. Okay. Put that top screw, there's a screw there, put it into the hole, the top one.
Does not fit.
The bolts don't fucking fit through the bumper.
I think we made it float over. No way.
Bro,
Jesus
moment.
Christmas.
Bro, moment. Well, looks like we took the L today.
We should be
For now.
sold you this truck.
We can't win. All right, so we got the brackets on.
Aussie's difficult, just like Bella is.
100 freaking %. All right, so we're gonna have to get new bracketry and
We tried.
We should just leave it on there.
tomorrow's a new day. Tomorrow's a new day.